Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Huel subscription. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Huel subscription because you still have some Huel left. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Huel. Then in the upper right-hand corner, highlight the profile icon. Then click on My Subscriptions. Now on the bottom here, you're going to see your subscription as far as your renewal date and shipping goes. Simply just click on Manage Subscription, scroll down, and then click on Edit Date. So choose your desired renewal date by clicking on the calendar icon, and then you can select which date you want Huel to be renewed. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Huel subscription date. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.